in comparison to previous zonas, not only of PBBM zona, I would say this is an infra less speech, not so much on infra. Okay, why? Because it is in the aftermath of the corruption thing that happened in 2025. Because at the back of people's mind, infra means corruption. So I noticed there were not much, there were still a lot of projects, but not as much as compared to others. So those are what I can say about this speech. Okay. Like I said, very good delivery. The content was well written. Um, and I think what he really succeeded was he came across as being human and sincere. I wouldn't want him to come across as the slick salesman trying to pitch to his people because I'm sure at the end of the day some people will say bad speech, some people will say good. But at the end of the day, I think his best the best thing he did was come across as human, sincere, and approachable. The way you he shouldn't be like, I mean he shouldn't be like Marcos Senior authoritative. Um, the persona he delivered in that zona was just what the doctor ordered. So that was what made the Sona successful. His delivering, he didn't come across as too glib. He came across as human.